Hey guys, Dr. Zach here with Infinity Wellness Center. We're gonna be going over 3 stretches for every pregnant mom to do to be able to have a smooth delivery process and the best pregnancy that she can have. With here at Infinity Wellness Center, all of our patients and members get wobble cushions to be able to loosen up their lower back. Now for the pregnant moms, we want them to do at least 2 of these exercises. We're gonna have her do side by side with her hips by rocking her hips from side to side. And what that's going to do is going to help to loosen up the lower back, get the tension and tightness that maybe she experiencing down there to kind of loosen up to allow the adjustment to be more effective. Now the next one that we would have her do is going to be rocking her hips forward and backwards. And that's going to allow, same thing, that pelvic region, the sacral region, and the hips just kind of have a good mobility and flexibility all around. Now, once we get done with this, the other 2 stretches that are going to be super important to do is going to be hip flexor stretches is our next one that we're going to talk about. So let's have you stand up, Bailey. And we're going to get on one knee. And she's going to do this flexing position forward, and she's going to feel this front part of her hips here stretching. And we want to hold this position here for about 10 to 20 seconds by pushing that belly in that forward position to allow that front hip flexor to be able to stretch. And that's also going to help out with that psoas muscle that attaches into the lower back and into the pelvis as well. We'll do this, like I said, 10 to 20 seconds, and then we'll flip and do the other side. Perfect, leaning forward in that direction there. And she's doing a really good job of keeping her lower base here stable. So we want to be able to do this, like I said, 10 to 20 seconds and do about between 3 to 5 repetitions of doing this stretch for those hip flexors. The next one that we're going to do is going to be cat-cow. And so what she's going to do is she's going to get on all 4s, making sure that the hip here is in alignment all the way down to the knee. And then with her arms, making sure that the arms and shoulders are in alignment as well to have a good neutral spine. We're going to do the cat portion first, where the upper thoracic spine is going to arch up and her hips are going to wiggle side to side. And you'll do that side to side for a couple repetitions. And then we're going to relax and go into the cow position to drop that belly down and allow that lower back curve to perform, to allow this stretching to occur down here in this sacral region. We'll go ahead and do the cat position again, pull that thoracic spine up, wiggle the hips side to side. And we're going to do this just for a couple sessions. And then we're going to do the cow position to lower that back down, allow that belly to sway down there. We want to do this for about 3 to 5 sets to allow to get the best mobility and flexibility into the lower back. So if you're dealing with any tightness or discomfort, give us a call at 720-747-5333 or send this to a pregnant mom that may need some help, and we would love to be able to help her out. Thank you and have a great day.